Most Windows users never update their drivers. They keep using their computer normally until something suddenly stops working. Maybe the Wi-Fi stops connecting, the sound is not working properly, the graphics start lagging, or the Bluetooth devices refuse to connect. In most cases, the real problem is outdated or missing drivers. Manually searching for drivers is confusing. You have to figure out which driver is missing, which version you need, and which website is safe to download from. Many websites are full of ads or even risky downloads. That is why, in today's video, I'll show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11 for free using a simple one-click method. You do not need any paid software, and you do not need to visit random driver websites. Now let us start with the process. Open your browser and search for Snappy Driver Installer Origin. Open the official website and click on Download Now. Click on this download link. It will download a small zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and click on Extract. After extraction, open the new folder. Inside the folder, you'll see two application files. One is for 32-bit systems and the other is for 64-bit systems. Most Windows 11 computers use 64-bit. If you want to confirm, click on the Start menu and search for System Information. Open it and check the system type. If it says x64 based PC, you should run the 64-bit application. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You may see a message saying Windows protected your PC. This appears because it's free tool and not digitally signed like paid software. Click on More Info and then click Run Anyway. Accept the license agreement and allow the application to run. When the application opens for the first time, you'll see three options. First option is Download all driver packs. This downloads the complete driver database for almost every hardware device. It's a very large download, usually tens of gigabytes. This option is mainly for technicians who want to use the tool offline on multiple computers. The second option is Download network drivers only. This downloads only LAN and Wi-Fi drivers. It's useful when your internet is not working. The third option is Download indexes only. This is a recommended option for most users. It downloads a small index file that scans your system and shows only the drivers that are relevant to your PC. For normal home users, always choose this option. This will start downloading a small index file and then scan your system to check which drivers are outdated or missing. After the scan is complete, you will see a list of drivers. It will clearly show which drivers are outdated, which ones have newer versions available, and if any drivers are missing. You can click on each driver to see more details such as the current version and the available versions. Now comes the best part. If you want to update everything at once, simply click on Select All. Then click on Install. The program will automatically start downloading and installing all the required drivers. Depending on your internet speed and the number of drivers, this may take some time. Just wait until the process is complete. Once installation is finished, you will see a notification asking you to restart your computer. Restart your PC to complete the driver installation process. After restarting, your system should be running with the latest driver installed. If you don't see any yellow warning signs next to any devices, that means everything is properly installed and working correctly. The reason this method is better than many other driver updater tools is because it's completely free. It does not force you to pay anything before installing drivers. It does not show annoying ads. It does not force you to pay before installing drivers. It does not install unnecessary software. It simply scans your system and installs the correct driver that your computer needs. So this is how you can update all drivers on Windows 11 for free using just one-click method.